Hello everyone, welcome to How-FixIT. In this video I'm gonna show you how to disassemble Asus ZenBook UX430, clean it from dust and replace thermal paste. To disassemble you'll need next tools: Phillips 1 screwdriver, Torx T5 screwdriver, and plastic tool, tweezers, thermal grease, anti-static brush. In the description I'll leave links where to buy all necessary tools. Turn the laptop over and remove all screws on the bottom cover. Also remove two screws that are hidden under the rubber legs. Next, take a plastic tool and begin to open the case of laptop. I recommend using a plastic tool so as not to damage the laptop case when you open it. Disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Disconnect the cable and remove screws. Remove all screws on the radiator. Pay attention to the order of removing the screws. I recommend unscrewing in the indicated order. Now you can remove cooling system by lifting up from the motherboard. Remove all dust from the fan and radiator. Next, remove old thermal paste from the surface of radiator as well as from the CPU and GPU. If the thermal grease is very dry and doesn't drop well, you can use isopropyl alcohol. How to apply thermal grease. Apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU, and then take a plastic tool and spread it even over the entire surface of the chip. If you still don't know which thermal grease to choose, in the description I will link where I test different thermal greases and choose the best one for the laptop. If your laptop is still overheating after cleaning and replacing the thermal paste, I recommend watching a video about cooling pad for the laptop or how to undervolting CPU and GPU to reduce heat and increase laptop performance. All links you can find in the description. Now you can install the cooling system and tighten all screws. Please note how I tighten screws on the radiator. It is necessary to tighten screws evenly on each side, a few turns of each screw. If you tighten the screws immediately and completely, there is a chance that you may damage the processor chip. If your laptop is still overheating after cleaning and replacing the thermal paste, I recommend watching a video about cooling pad for the laptop or how to undervolting CPU and GPU to reduce heat and increase laptop performance. All links you can find in the description. Well, that's all. You were on HowFixIT, and see you guys next time.